Indiana, did you have a rough day? Did you have a rough day? Was it tough? Yeah, tough day. Indiana, tough day. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby.
And that's a great way to play. When you have confidence in everybody on the floor. But when they have the ball,
Indiana, get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball, Indiana. Oh, bless you. What about your ball? What about your ball? I'm gonna get your ball. Can you play with your ball, or is that too hard today? Here you go. Here you go. Come lay with it in your mouth now. Bless you. You all done? Okay.